Hello everybody and welcome back. My name is Sandra and I am the Arthritic Artisan. I'm doing a combination of what got left behind from my last haul, what I bought while I was picking up what got left behind, what I got in my Amazon order, and so I'm going to start with what got left behind. And I don't know if you know it or not, but I was told it was Dollar Tree's policy that if you leave your bags there, they're not going to hold them overnight. They will put everything back on the shelves. So they put my stuff back on the shelf. So I had to go dig out what it was that I had purchased before. And they didn't have everything, but they did have this USA sign. And I just really liked it. The letters are ready to go for a wreath or whatever kind of DIY you want to do. They had these fairy wings ready for our patriotic holidays. So everybody go get one because I have a DIY coming up and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this fairy wing. Let me apologize for the microphone that I have. It picks up the drop of a pin. They had some of these wood stars at Dollar Tree and I picked these up. I don't remember if I had them in my last haul or not, but I got some more. I have not seen this raffia at Dollar Tree before. I just said in my last haul that raffia is so expensive. So I bought the hula skirts just so I could have the raffia. But now I go and I found raffia. Let's see, how much is this? It says it's 1 ounce. But yeah, they had these 4 different colors. And I got one of each. Now, as far as raffia goes, it's kind of thin, but it's okay because it'll still make a really great DIY. I found these mason jars with a hanger on it, and I thought if I paired it with these, that would make a really great Memorial Day, 4th of July decoration. So we're gonna do something with these also. When I went today, they finally had these glass jars with the jute handle on them. I'm so excited about these. I can't wait to, I don't know if I'm going to do a DIY or if I'm just going to hold on to them because they're super cute inside my craft room. And if y'all know anything about me, you know I love the glassware at Dollar Tree because I do a lot of projects with them. But I have not seen this shape there before, so I got a couple of these. These are very interesting. I really like them. They're wide and short. So my friend Laura over at Laura's Craft Room found these at her Dollar Tree and mine finally got them in and I really wanted one. I'm not going to wear it though. I'm going to make something out of it because I am definitely not a hat person. They look terrible on me. I got some cable ties. I use cable ties so much. Oh my gosh, I go through them like nobody's business. I have not seen this yet. It's a mixing tool set for resin. If you pour it in there and you can add your mica or colorant and then stir it up. And then they've got this small spoon, which is great for dipping out just a little bit of resin and getting it in the tiny spots. My Dollar Tree finally got these cute lanterns in. They really are cute. Again, I don't know if I want to do a craft with them or if I just want to leave them hanging out in my craft room. I said I was not going to buy any stickers when I went this time, but then I saw these and I bought them anyway. They're wood stickers and you can color them or paint them yourself. There's 13 of them. I think there's 13. 5, 9, 13. Yep, 13. There's an orange slice or watermelon slice, or I guess it could be a lemon slice. And you could turn that into a lime if you wanted to. There's pineapple. And speaking of pineapples, I'm obsessed with pineapples, of course. I grew up in Hawaii, so I love fresh pineapples. Look at how cute these are. They're calling them coasters, but we all know that we're not going to use them for coasters. There's 4 of these in a pack. They're really nice and thick. I have seen people use fishing nets in crafts on YouTube before, but I've never seen them at my Dollar Tree. Now I found them at my Dollar Tree and I found a green and a neutral colored one. Look how cute these pineapples are. Once we take the tinsel off and add our own crafty touch to it. These are going to be super, super adorable. When you go to Dollar Tree, I want you to be careful if you're buying the cotton pods. They had a 2-piece pack of cotton pods, and then they had 3-piece packs of cotton pods. I could not find a difference in the cotton that looked the same. They all needed to have a little fluffing just because of the shipping or whatnot. But just be careful what you're picking up. And I've noticed that with Dollar Tree a lot. Some things that used to have 4 in the pack now has 6, but they've got both a 4 and a 6 pack out. Now it's a 2 and a 3-piece pack, so just be careful about that. They have an Mdf Butterfly. I haven't seen this before either. I do a lot of the MDF cutout owls, and if you haven't seen my video on that, go watch that video. But we're going to come up with something fun with this butterfly. I also found this corrugated metal plaque. I haven't seen these. They had 1, so I bought 1. If they had had 10, I would have picked up 10. And I also found these galvanized metal cutouts. There's some hearts, so I picked those up for next Valentine's Day, or an I love you card for my husband. And I found flowers. That's the only 2 shapes that they had there. Otherwise, I would have picked up whatever they had. But there's 3 of these in a pack. Okay, y'all, I'm super excited about this. I got some stuff from Amazon, so I wanted to show you. What I found on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description box below for all of these items. This is a huge pack of sunflowers. It's a good size for making wreaths. The only thing, it's just stemless. But if you're like me and you save all your stems, boom, you got a whole flower. I forgot how long this roll is, but there is, look how much of this buffalo check ribbon is on this roll. And honestly, it really wasn't that expensive. Per yard, it comes out cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Speaking of the Dollar Tree, I did pick up some of each of the different buffalo check ribbon colors that they have there. These are 3 yards, I believe. Yes, 9 feet, 3 yards. And these are a decent size. These are 5/8 inch wide. All right, back to Amazon. Okay, I can't wait for you to see this. Wait for it. Wait for it. Look, it's Bumblebees. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. And look at this one. Oh my gosh, you know what we're gonna do with this? Me either. All right, now I hope you're still with me, because if you're not, too bad for you, because you're gonna miss out on this. Look, I've been trying to find Bumblebee for a long time so I could do a DIY. I haven't been able to find them, or they've been just too expensive and I refuse to pay that price. These are Pushpins. If you don't want to use them as Pushpins, cut the tack off or pull the tack off. There's 50 pieces in this pack, and I will post it down below. And I can't tell you the price right now because, you know, Amazon, their prices go up and down a little bit almost every single day. But I will have the link in the description box below. What a great idea. I'm super excited about my Bumblebee stuff. And that's it, you guys. I did not go overboard buying stuff at Dollar Tree this time. If you want to know what we do with all these great finds, then give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to get notified about future videos and projects. And until next time, y'all have a magical day.